Have you ever imagined that inside every living creature beats a tiny engine that decides life and death, or that some creatures have none at all? Our story begins with one of the simplest organisms, the jellyfish. Behind its transparent, delicate body lies a stunning fact. Jellyfish have no heart at all. Research by Dr. Lucas Brotz, University of British Columbia, 2016, shows that jellyfish rely solely on diffusion, the natural movement of oxygen through their thin tissues. Because their bodies are 95% water, oxygen does not need to be pumped by a heart. Studies from the Smithsonian Marine Station explain how their gelatinous bodies transport nutrients purely through diffusion, no chambers, no pulse. Yet they have survived on Earth for 500 million years, far longer than the dinosaurs. Sometimes, the absence of something becomes its perfect design. Next, we rise to a far more complex creature, the octopus. Classic studies by Wells and Wells, University of Cambridge, 1983, along with follow-up research from the University of Michigan, 2004, discovered that octopuses have one systemic heart, two branchial hearts, each serving a gill. These three hearts work together like a finely tuned hydraulic system. When an octopus swims, its systemic heart actually stops beating. This is why they prefer crawling along the seafloor. It conserves energy. Research by Roger Hanlon, Marine Biological Laboratory, explores how this unique circulation system affects the octopus's camouflage abilities and stamina. It's as if the octopus has its own natural energy-saving mode, an elegant evolutionary design. Moving to another branch of evolution, we meet a tiny creature whose heart performs like a miniature jet engine. The hummingbird research by Suarez et al., University of California, Berkeley, 1991, revealed that hummingbird hearts can reach 1,260 beats per minute during flight, have the largest heart-to-body mass ratio of any vertebrate. While hovering, its wings beat 80 times per second, and the heart races to keep up with the extreme energy demand. Studies by Hargrove et al., University of Toronto, uncovered how this ultra-high metabolism is powered by nearly constant nectar intake. In the world of hummingbirds, life is a rapid dance of eating, flying, and keeping the heartbeat steady. But on the other side of the spectrum, there is an animal that lives with the opposite rhythm, the turtle. According to research by Dr. David Jackson, University of Manitoba, 2010, during hibernation, a turtle's heartbeat can drop to 1 beat every 10 minutes. When submerged beneath icy water, some species can survive for months without breathing, relying on extremely slow anaerobic metabolism. A study in Nature Communications, 2020, examined how giant tortoise species exhibit astonishingly low aging rates. Turtles are the symbol of extreme calm, a world where time nearly stops. Now we dive into the realm of fish, creatures whose hearts appear simple, yet hide remarkable adaptations. Research from Farrell and Smith, Simon Fraser University, 1999, shows that fish hearts contain 4 linear chambers: sinus venosus, atrium, ventricle, bulbus arteriosus. Unlike mammals, these chambers pump blood in a single direction, passing through the gills for oxygenation. This seemingly simple design helps fish survive crushing pressures, from shallow rivers to the deepest trenches. Studies from the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution reveal how this structure evolved from ancient fish ancestors. Now we return to land, where yet another extraordinary heart beats. The snake. Research by Lillywhite et al., University of Florida, 2012, showed that during brumation, the reptile version of hibernation, many snake species can lower their body temperature to match the environment, reduce heart rate to near zero activity, drastically slow their blood flow to conserve energy. Research from the University of Arkansas found that reduced body temperature lowers biological activity by up to 80%. Some pit viper species can even shift the position of their heart inside the body to adjust for gravity while climbing vertically, an astonishing adaptation published in Biology Letters, 2014. And finally, we arrive at the true giant, the blue whale. Groundbreaking research by Jeremy Goldbogen and the Stanford University team, PNAS 2019, in Monterey Bay, captured the heartbeat of a wild blue whale for the first time. The findings were extraordinary. While diving, 2 to 8 beats per minute. At the surface, 25 to 37 beats per minute. Its heart is estimated to weigh 180 to 200 kilograms. The diameter of its aorta is large enough for a small child to crawl through. With each beat, it pumps over 200 liters of blood. For the largest animal to ever live on Earth, its heart beats slowly, as if setting the rhythm of the entire ocean, from jellyfish with no heart to blue whales with a heart the size of a refrigerator. Life proves there is no single way to survive. Having a heart, or having none at all, is the story of evolution. A story of how living beings adapt to the sea, the sky, and the land. With rhythms only they understand. Every species has a pulse. Every pulse has a story.